Hi, today we are going to review the Meisort FHD 360 Wi-Fi camera. Inside the box you will find one camera, one USB cable, one user manual, wall mounting accessories, one wall adapter and a SD card. Let's go ahead and start up the camera. First, use the USB cable and turn on the power. A red LED light will shine when power is connected. Download the app by scanning the QR code on the manual. Create an account on the app. Add the camera by following the instructions. Upon successful connection, the red LED will turn green. Video quality is good thanks to its 2-megapixel camera. You can buy an SD card to store memory inside it when you are away. It supports up to 128 GB SD cards. The app has a custom built-in live panorama shot which creates instant panoramic shots with just one click. Overall, for about $35, this camera is quite a good deal with loads of features like motion sensor packed into it. You can head over to the description to check out the product.